How far now, my people? As I dey enjoy my Lipton tea, make una join me, make we hear the truth together. One chapter wey go change our life.
Matthew chapter 2. After dem born Jesus Christ for Bethlehem, wey dey Judea, for the time wey Herod be king, some wise men from east come go Jerusalem. Dey ask,
when the Jew king wey dey just born dey?
We see the star we talk about am, so we come worship am.
Wetin dem talk so vex King Herod and Jerusalem people. So the king gather all the priests oga dem and the people wey sabi the law, come ask dem,
wey una think say dem go for born Christ?
Dem come answer,
na for Bethlehem wey dey Judea, just as prophet Isaiah write say, Bethlehem people, una wey small pass for all the people wey dey rule Judah. Na from among una the person wey go lead all my people for Israel go from come.
Then Herod come call the wise men go corner, make dem for tell am when dem see the star. He come say,
Make una go look for the pikin well well. When una don see am, make una come tell me, so that me too go worship am.
When the king talk finish, the wise men come dey go, and the star wey dem see before come dey lead dem until e stop on top the house where the pikin dey. When dem see the star, dem come dey happy. Dem enter the house, see the pikin with him mama, come kneel down, worship am. Then dem open their bag, come give am some gifts wey be gold, frankincense, and myrrh. Because God want dem for dream, make dem not go back go meet Herod. Dem come pass another road go their house. When the wise men don go, God angel come tell Joseph for dream,
Get up, carry the pikin and the mama run go Egypt. Make una stay there until I go tell you wetin una go do, because Herod wan kill the pikin.
That same night, Joseph wake up, carry the pikin and him mama, come run go Egypt. Dem stay there till Herod die. This thing make wetin God prophet talk happen, say,
I call my pikin comot from Egypt.
when Herod see say the wise men deceive am, he vex well well. So he send soldiers make dem go kill all the boys wey don reach 2 years come down, because e don reach 2 years when the wise men come meet am say dem see the star. This one make wetin prophet Jeremiah talk happen, say,
People hear cry and shout for Ramah. Rachel dey cry for im pikin dem wey don die, and nothing when people talk fit make im heart strong.
After Herod die, God angel appear to Joseph for dream when he still dey Egypt, come tell am,
Make you get up, carry the pikin and him mama go Israel, because the person wey wan kill am don die.
So he carry the pikin and him mama go back to Israel. But when he hear say Akinola dey rule for Judea, after Herod him papa don die, Joseph come fear to go there. After God don warn am for dream, he come go Galilee. When he reach Nazareth, he come stay there. This one make wetin prophet Jeremiah talk happen, say,
Dem go say Jesus Christ na Nazareth e from come.
How far now, my people? With time, we go know the truth, and the truth go set us free. Make una like this video, share am, and